The adrenals orchestrate many different functions throughout the body, and there's a high demand due to their many responsibilities. With today's high-stress living environment, recalibrating the adrenal glands and restoring them to their natural biological rhythm can be a life-changing reset. The adrenals are small glands that sit on top of each of the kidneys. They are responsible for producing hormones that help regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential functions. The adrenals can become overactive due to chronic stress. By resetting the adrenals back to their factory setting, we move the body from a sympathetic state to a parasympathetic state. Digestive disorders, sleep disorders, chronic fatigue, anxiety attacks, PTSD, and intergenerational trauma are all indications that an adrenal rhythm reset can be beneficial. Visit the website below, jhollingshed.com, and schedule your adrenal rhythm reset today. It's truly life-changing.